Hey everyone, welcome back to Me Tutorials. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up powerful conditional formatting in Power BI based on multiple custom conditions. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to color code your reports automatically, making it super clear at a glance which orders are outstanding, which are running late, and which ones might need a bit of extra attention. Whether you're preparing a dashboard for your team or just want your reports to be more insightful and visually appealing, this walkthrough will make it simple and effective. Let's dive straight in. The magic here starts with creating a DAX measure that decides what color each row should be based on your business rules. In Power BI, head over to the Modeling tab and select New Measure. Here, you'll enter a formula that uses the switch and true functions together, a really handy trick for handling multiple conditions cleanly. Type in the following DAX code and let's walk through what's happening. Order color equals Zwidge, Drew. Some order sales amount, 1 million, and in some orders delivery days, 7 FF0000, that's bright red, and here's why. If both the sales amount is super high and the order is running late, we want the data to jump right off the page, so red it is. Some order sales amount, 1 million, 0B050, next just high sales. This is a good sign. We'll use green, a universal symbol for success and positive performance. Some orders delivery days, 7 FFA 500. What if delivery is late but sales aren't particularly high? Let's go with orange, still attention grabbing but not quite as alarming as red. Some order sales amount, 500,000, 808,080. Low sales orders can blend in with a neutral gray. This way they're visible but not drawing the focus. 4682B4. If none of these conditions fit, let's use a reliable blue as our default. What's really powerful about this approach is that your color logic is all in one place, so if your priorities change later or you want to adjust thresholds, you just update the measure. You're not hunting through different visuals for various rules, everything's organized and transparent. Now with our DAX measure in place, let's apply this to our visuals. Insert a table visual into your Power BI report and fill it with ordered, region, sales amount, and delivery days. This creates a nice, tidy grid where every row represents an order. Here's the fun part. Click on the sales amount column inside your table visual, then look up at the top for the Format menu. You'll find options for conditional formatting. Choose either font color if you want the numbers themselves to change color, or background color if you want the cell behind them to stand out. Under Format BI, set it to field value, and then for based on field, choose your order color measure. Power BI will immediately apply the colors for you. This doesn't just look great, remember, it tells a data story in an instant. If order 1001 comes up green, that's a high sale delivered on time, a win. If order 1002 turns orange, it means the delivery is lagging, even if the sales amount isn't remarkable. If you see a bright red row, that's a signal for urgent action. It's a big sale, but the delivery is overdue. And those gray rows, they're your low sales. Maybe they need nurturing, or maybe they're fine set to the background for now. So that's it. You've just added supercharged, meaningful color coding to your Power BI reports, all based on your chosen business logic. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more tips like this. Make sure to subscribe so you never miss out on any new Power BI how-tos right here on Me Tutorials. Thanks for watching.